Hello, tech lovers. I'm thrilled to present to you my top 5 must have tech products that are pushing the boundaries of innovation, style, and functionality. These gadgets promise to revolutionize how we live our lives and unlock some of the best features the tech world has to offer. So let's dive into this and explore each item on the list. Starting at number 5, we have the DJI Air 3 drone. With a 12 MP camera and a 4K 60 FPS video, this powerful device is perfect for photographers and videographers who wants to capture stunning aerial footage. The DJI Air 3 is equipped with obstacle avoidance sensors that help keep your flight path smooth and secure. With a 3-axis gimbal and up to 34 minutes of flight time, you can capture breathtaking footage with ease. At number 4, the Stream Deck Plus White version has taken streaming to new heights. With 15 programmable LCD keys, this device allows you to create custom shortcuts that streamline your streaming process. From opening applications and executing commands to switching scenes and performing editing maneuvers, Stream Deck Plus makes it effortless. At the third spot, we have the Unreal Air glasses, which bring augmented reality to life. These lightweight glasses create virtual objects by overlaying 3D images on the real world. You can watch movies, play games, or simply browse the internet, giving you a fully immersive user experience with a high quality resolution and intuitive touch control. The Unreal Air glasses let you explore new dimensions in a comfortable and easy to use way. And then in number 2, we have the GoPro Hero 12, the ultimate camera for adventure enthusiasts. With advanced image stabilizations, you can capture smooth, stable footage no matter what terrain you are exploring. The 5K video capability and 1080 pixel streaming enable you to capture every detail of your world in stunning resolution. Waterproof up to 33 feet, this camera is perfect for all types of outdoor adventures. Finally, coming in hot at number 1, we have the Insta360 Link. This innovative gadget transforms your smartphone into a 360-degree camera. Insta360 Link stitches together the different points of a single shot to create an immersive photo or video experience. It's a perfect tool for travelers, photographers, and creators who want to capture their experiences with ease. The sleek, compact design complements your phone's look perfectly, and the effortless control system and instant sharing enable you to quick and easily create and share work that goes beyond the limits of the usual picture or video. So there you have it, my top 5 favorite tech gadgets that are pushing boundaries and capturing life in new and exciting ways. Let me know in the comments what you think of these devices and which ones you're interested in. Please don't hesitate to subscribe and stay tuned for more tech-focused content in the future. And if you really want to buy these tech products, make sure to check the pinned comment, and we have put all the links of the products from where you can buy it in a more cheaper way. So make sure to check it, and till then, goodbye.